Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil on a Maserati Ghibli. First, gather your tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll need about 7½ quarts of new, high-quality synthetic engine oil, typically 5W40. Always use a new oil filter and a new drain plug washer. Park your Ghibli on a level surface and let the engine cool down for at least 30 minutes to prevent burns. Now, let's drain the old oil. Safely lift your Maserati using a jack and jack stands or drive it onto ramps. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. It's usually a 13mm bolt. Position your drain pan directly underneath. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing the used oil to flow completely into the pan. This process typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the plug and install a new crush washer. First, log into your KuCoin account and find the Identity Verification, or KIC section, usually under your profile settings. Carefully enter your personal information, ensuring it precisely matches your documents. Next, upload clear, high-resolution images of your identification and proof of address. Finally, complete the quick facial recognition or liveness check to confirm your identity. After adding the new oil, start your Maserati's engine and let it run for about 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the fresh oil to circulate throughout the system and fill the new filter. While it's running, carefully check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Turn off the engine, wait 5 minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level using the dipstick. Add more oil if needed to reach the full mark. Finally, reset your service reminder.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.